Ever wondered about the history of Friendship Day and why we celebrate it? Stick around as we explore 25 creative DIY crafts perfect for celebrating with your best buddies. Now, celebrating Friendship Day can sometimes be a challenge, but fear not. We've got you covered with fun and quick and easy DIY crafts, guaranteed to bring joy to you and your friends. Friendship bracelets. Materials: embroidery floss and scissors. Choose multiple colors of embroidery floss. Cut strands about 24 inches long. Tie a knot at one end, secure it, and start braiding. Finish with a knot and trim excess. Next, handprint art. Materials: washable paint, paper or fabric. Dip hands in paint and press onto paper or fabric. Let dry. Add decorations like hearts or names with markers. Next, friendship rocks. Materials: smooth rocks, acrylic paint, and paintbrushes. Wash rocks and let dry. Paint rocks with colorful designs or write messages like, "Best friends forever." Let dry completely. Paper plate friendship wreath. Materials: paper plates, scissors, glue, decorations, e.g. stickers, ribbons. Cut out the center of paper plates to create rings. Decorate the rings with stickers, ribbons, and drawings. Glue rings together to form a wreath. Origami hearts. Materials: colored paper and scissors. Fold paper in half, unfold, then fold edges to meet at the center crease. Fold top corners down to create a heart shape. Write messages inside. Friendship photo frame. Materials: plain photo frame, paint, stickers, and photos. Paint the frame with favorite colors. Decorate with stickers and glue photos of friends onto the frame. Pom-pom bookmarks. Materials: pom-poms, colorful yarn, and scissors. Cut yarn to desired length. Tie a knot at one end and thread through a pom-pom. Tie a knot at the other end. Trim excess yarn. Button friendship cards. Materials: colored cardstock, buttons, glue, and markers. Fold cardstock in half to create a card. Glue buttons onto the front in a heart shape or other design. Write a heartfelt message inside. DIY friendship pins. Materials: small beads, safety pins, bead pliers. Thread beads onto safety pins in desired patterns or colors. Close pins and trim excess with pliers if needed. Decorated friendship jar. Materials: glass jar, paint, paintbrushes, paper, and pins. Paint the outside of the jar with friendship symbols or names. Write notes or fill with small gifts for friends. Memory box. Materials: small cardboard box, decorations, stickers, and paint. Decorate the outside of the box with drawings, stickers, or paint. Fill with mementos and keepsakes from friends. Friendship tree art. Materials: white paper, green paint, and markers. Draw a tree trunk with brown marker. Dip fingers in green paint and stamp leaves onto branches. Write friends' names on leaves. Paper fortune tellers. Materials: square paper and markers. Fold paper into a fortune teller shape. Cut bottom half to complete the triangle. Fold tips into middle of paper, turn over and fold tips and crease. Write friendship-themed messages under the flaps. Play with friends by picking numbers and reading messages. Friendship collage. Materials: poster board, magazines, scissors, and glue. Cut out pictures of friends, hearts, and positive words from magazines. Glue onto poster board to create a collage. Friendship crown. Materials: construction paper, decorations, stickers, and markers. Cut construction paper into strips and measure to fit a round head. Decorate with friendship symbols and staple or glue ends together. Scented sachets. Materials: fabric squares, scented herbs, lavender, needle, and thread. Fold fabric square in half with the inside facing out. Sew 3 sides together, leaving a small opening. Fill with scented herbs and sew closed. Friendship keychains. Materials: beads, letter charms, keychain rings, and bead pliers. Thread beads and letter charms onto keychain ring. Close ring with pliers if needed. DIY slime. Materials: glue, liquid starch, food coloring, and glitter. Mix glue with a few drops of food coloring and glitter, if desired. Add liquid starch or contact lens solution slowly while stirring until slime forms. Painted birdhouses. Materials: wooden birdhouse, acrylic paint, and paintbrushes. Paint birdhouse with bright colors and designs. Add friendship symbols like hearts or names. Let dry completely. DIY bookmarks. Materials: cardstock, markers, and stickers. Cut cardstock into bookmark shapes. Decorate with markers and stickers. Write friends' names or messages. Friendship scrapbook. Materials: scrapbook, photos, stickers, and markers. Arrange photos and decorate pages with stickers and markers. Write captions or messages next to each photo. Felt emoji magnets. Materials: felt sheets, magnets, and glue. Cut out emoji shapes from felt sheets. Glue magnets onto the back of each emoji shape. Rainbow friendship cupcakes. Materials: cupcake ingredients: flour, eggs, frosting, food coloring. Divide batter into bowls and add different food coloring to each. Layer color batter in cupcake liners and bake. Frost with colorful icing. Friendship puzzles. Materials: cardboard, scissors, glue, and photos. Glue a photo onto cardboard and let dry. Cut into puzzle pieces. Mix pieces up and put together with friends. DIY t-shirts. Materials: plain t-shirts, fabric markers, or paint and stencils, optional. Lay t-shirt flat and decorate with fabric markers or paint. Use stencils for designs or write friendship messages. Celebrating Friendship Day is a wonderful way to show your friends how much they mean to you. These DIY crafts create lasting memories and strengthen bonds. Now let's try these wonderful crafts. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more creative DIY ideas. Let's celebrate friendship in the most colorful and creative way possible.